Is your battery failing to hold a charge or showing physical signs of damage? Well, I'm Matt with Pelican Parts, and today I'm going to show you how to remove and replace the battery on your 944. Go ahead and pop the hood to access the battery. The battery is located on the left side of the car. You want to remove the negative, then the positive battery terminal. Our terminal connections are held down using a 13mm socket. Remove the negative, then remove the positive. Next, we need to remove the bracket holding the battery into the car. This is held in with a 17mm nut. Remove that nut, and the bracket pulls right out. You then can lift the battery up and out of the car. Before installing the new battery, it's important to check the connections and clean them. You can then install your new battery. Make sure the backside of the battery is fitted underneath this lip. You can reinstall the bracket. And tighten down the 17mm nut. For reinstallation, start with the positive, then the negative. Now that's how you remove and replace the battery on your 944. If this video is helpful and you want to learn more about working on your 944, give us a follow and check us out at pelicanparts.com.